guys, today I'm gonna be doing some dirt bike racing on my ps4. We're working out right here. We're gonna get ready to get started. Here we go. I am number 47 right there.
Guys, right now he's pushing 11th. Now he's in 7th. If you can see off of that place at 7th. Jason, I forgot someone do it.
Okay. Woman says this is the best time. This is the best I've ever placed. Oh yeah, I got up to it. I'm gonna try to get first. Think I can get first. Guys, so you think I can get first? Maybe I get first. Oh, I'm in 5th.
As long as you get on podium, right?
Yeah, boy, I want to get on the podium.
Oh, that landed on him.
Oh, I ain't gonna be getting on that podium.
Yeah, you got 3 laps.
Yeah, I need at least to come up into 5th. Or 5th,
3rd.
4th, 5th.
That's 3rd.
3rd to be on the podium?
Yep.
I got an idea tonight. You guys are not going to know it.
Oh, you can't do an idea.
Well, I got something to do tonight.
And the mud flying up. Oh, almost got
Yeah, about
Picture me in the darn video.
Yeah, he should. Come on, I hit this straight stretch and knock this dude out. Well, yeah, Ronnie Maver. Oh, knock this. Oh.
When he crashes.
I'm only in 7th right now, guys. 8th.
He's in 8th, running 8th. He was running 5th.
But I crashed.
Then he took a dirt bike crash.
He was like in
I'm not in
3rd
the car
or 4th.
crash.
He wasn't.
Oh, get a what a bump.
Wait, where is everyone? Damn, they're gone. Boy.
He's right now 6 out of 22.
That's pretty good.
That's
Wait,
really
where's
good.
them dudes at? Dang, I'm probably just gonna get 6. I need to catch up to that dude. It's hard to run these bands for me. Tell me it's very muddy on this track.
I got a thing that I'm going to do.
It's very muddy on the track.
It's very muddy on that track, if you can tell. Like right through that path. Look at them fans out there. Earl kid about to pass him. But he got it.
Okay, across me.
Guys, I know what I'm going to do tonight.
What are you gonna do?
Not now.
Oh, I'm in 6th.
You're not gonna put makeup on us.
I hope she does.
No, we're not. Something more like that you guys don't know.
A kiss.
No.
Yeah.
No. No, not that.
Jeez. I'm going to turn on the mic and I'm gonna say, what was about that race? And I'm just gonna put it and you're gonna like talking like about the race and also like it was like slick and all that, okay? At the end. Right now he's on last lap and he's in 7th.
What are you guys doing tonight?
We're staying up.
Playing this probably.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I know how to do a couple really. I'm gonna hit a backflip.
Oh, finish is right there.
I might get 6.
Nope, that ain't it. He's running 7th. Jimmy Stewart.
Jimmy finished it, passes him up.
Yep. And it lets him stay on track, so. There's people already finishing.
Oh, this finish line.
Congratulations, he gets 6.
Fifth! I got 5th.
Well, let's see this place. How do you hold this? I don't want to turn the mic.
This is what we got. Number 6. I got, what did I get? What?
What was about that race? Bring that up. What was about that race?
Man, I could have gotten a better place. But if I wouldn't have wrecked off the track, I mean, I could have maybe placed 3rd, 4th, or 5th. I got right here. Paul Johnson. I placed 6th. And next up, my brother, he's racing.
Okay, when you wrecked, did it hurt?
Nah.
Alright. See you in the next video.
Peace.